In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. Make sure you copy your Ethereum address. So click on this Manage Crypto. Type in Ethereum if you have turned it on. I'm going to show you what you need to do. So click on this. Come on here, type in Ethereum, right? So turn it on. This is the Ethereum. Yeah, so this is the one you need. Click on it. Click on Receive. Copy the address. Open your Binance. Click on this Send. Click on this. Come on here, type in it. Type in Ethereum. So wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, click on this. Click on this. Paste the address here. Select the amount you want to send. Once you're done, click on the withdraw to the verification. You're going to get your Ethereum on your Trust Wallet. If you found it really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.